It's here! Hello, petrol heads! Today we're diving into something truly revolutionary in the world of electric vehicles. Tesla has done it again. They've shaken up the car world with the new 7-seater Model Y. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. This isn't just another electric car, it's a fully electric SUV with space for the whole family. Imagine the convenience of having an electric vehicle that can comfortably seat 7 people. That's right, you heard it here first. 7 seats. This is a game changer for families who need that extra space but also want to go green. Now, we've seen electric cars before. They've been around for a while and they're getting better every year. We've even seen electric SUVs. They offer more space and versatility than traditional electric cars. But a 7-seater electric SUV from Tesla? That's a game changer. It's something that many families have been waiting for. This is exciting stuff for the EV market. It's pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible with electric vehicles. People who wanted a spacious electric car had limited options. Not anymore. The Model Y is here to fill that gap. This car is making waves. It's not just about the extra seats, it's about the whole package. It's challenging what we thought we knew about electric vehicles. It's redefining the standards for what an electric SUV can be. It's showing the world that electric doesn't have to mean small and impractical. It can be spacious, luxurious, and incredibly functional. It can mean spacious, family-friendly, and fun to drive. Imagine going on a road trip with the whole family, without worrying about space or emissions. And trust me, this thing is fun to drive. With its impressive acceleration and smooth handling, the Model Y offers an exhilarating driving experience. Let's take a look inside. The Tesla Model Y is not just another electric vehicle, it's a game changer in the world of family cars. So, what's so special about this new Model Y? Well, it combines the best of both worlds. The efficiency of an electric vehicle and the practicality of a family SUV. Well, apart from being electric, it's all about space. The interior is designed to maximize comfort and utility, making it perfect for long drives and daily commutes alike. The third row of seats is the big news, of course. This addition transforms the Model Y into a true 7-seater, ideal for larger families or those who need extra seating occasionally. This means you can fit the entire family in, plus the dog and the luggage. Imagine the convenience of having everyone and everything in one vehicle without feeling cramped. It's not just about cramming everyone in though. Tesla has made sure that every passenger, no matter where they sit, enjoys a comfortable ride. Tesla has clearly thought about comfort too. The seats are designed with high-quality materials and ergonomic support to ensure that even long journeys are pleasant. The second row of seats can slide and recline. This flexibility allows passengers to adjust their seating position for maximum comfort, whether they're napping or enjoying the scenery. This makes getting in and out of the third row a breeze. No more awkward climbing or squeezing through tight spaces. Accessibility is a key feature here. And don't worry about headroom, there's plenty of it. But that's not all. The spacious design ensures that even taller passengers can sit comfortably without feeling cramped. The Model Y 7-seater also boasts impressive cargo space. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a long vacation, you'll have room for all your essentials. Even with all 7 seats up, you still get a decent-sized boot. This means you don't have to compromise on luggage space even when the car is full. Fold the third row down, and you've got a van-like space for all your stuff. This versatility makes the Model Y perfect for any situation, from moving house to a big shopping spree. Perfect for those family road trips. With the Tesla Model Y, every journey becomes an adventure filled with comfort, space, and fun. Where is this electric beast being built, you ask? Well, the answer lies in Shanghai, one of the most dynamic and bustling cities in the world. Nestled within this sprawling metropolis is Tesla's Gigafactory, a marvel of modern manufacturing and a testament to human ingenuity. Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai is not just any factory, it's a state-of-the-art facility designed to push the boundaries of what's possible in automotive production. It's massive, covering an area equivalent to over 120 football fields and producing cars at an incredible rate. Watching the production lines in action is like watching a well-oiled machine churning out Model Ys faster than you can say electric. The precision and efficiency are truly something to behold. This factory is key to Tesla's plans for global domination, or at least global electric car domination. It represents a significant step in Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. By building cars closer to where customers are, Tesla can speed up delivery times and reduce shipping costs. This strategic location allows them to serve the Asian market more efficiently. And believe me, when you order a Tesla, the wait can feel longer than a Sunday afternoon at the in-laws. But with the Shanghai Gigafactory, those wait times are getting shorter. The Shanghai Gigafactory is a sign of things to come. It's a glimpse into the future of automotive manufacturing where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. Tesla is serious about electric cars. They're not just building vehicles, they're building an entire ecosystem to support them. They're putting their money where their mouth is and building factories that can meet the expected demand. This is a bold move that shows their commitment to leading the electric vehicle revolution. This is big news for the future of electric vehicles. With the Shanghai Gigafactory, Tesla is not just keeping up with the demand, they're setting the pace for the entire industry. Section 4. When can you get yours? The availability question. Now the question on everyone's lips is, when can I get my hands on one? The good news is that the 7-seater Model Y is already available in many markets. The US, Canada, and China were among the first to get it. But what about the rest of the world? Tesla is rolling it out gradually. They are prioritizing markets where demand for electric vehicles is high. So if you're in Europe, Australia, or other parts of Asia, you might have to wait a little longer. Keep an eye on Tesla's website for the latest updates on availability, and be prepared to join a waiting list. This is one popular electric car. Section 5. Selling like hotcakes, market response to the Model Y. So how has the market responded to the Model Y 7-seater? In a word, enthusiastically, it's been flying off the shelves, exceeding even Tesla's own expectations. People are loving the combination of space, practicality, and that Tesla cool factor. Sales figures speak for themselves. The Model Y is consistently one of the best-selling electric cars in every market it enters. It's even giving some of the more established petrol-powered SUVs a run for their money. Governments are also doing their part to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles. Tax incentives, subsidies, and other benefits are making electric cars more affordable for the average consumer. And that's a good thing, right? Section 6. Perfect for families, ideal for adventures. Why is the 7-seater Model Y so important, you ask? Well, for starters, it's a family car that doesn't compromise. Families no longer have to choose between being eco-conscious and having enough space for everyone and everything. But it's not just for families. This SUV is perfect for anyone who needs a bit of extra space. Whether you're going on a road trip, hauling sports equipment, or just need to pick up some flat-pack furniture, the Model Y 7-seater has got you covered. And let's not forget the fun factor. The Model Y, like all Teslas, is a joy to drive. It's quick, responsive, and packed with technology. Who said being environmentally friendly couldn't be fun? Section 7. What's next for Tesla? A look into the future. Tesla isn't resting on its laurels, though. They are constantly innovating and looking for ways to improve their cars and make them more accessible. One of their key goals is to produce more affordable electric vehicles. We've already seen hints of this with the Model 3, but rumor has it that Tesla is working on an even cheaper electric car. This will be a game changer, opening up the world of electric vehicles to a whole new market. Tesla's vision goes beyond just building cars. They want to create a sustainable energy ecosystem. Their solar panels, energy storage solutions, and charging infrastructure are all part of this grand plan. So buckle up, the future of driving is electric, and Tesla is leading the charge.